Hello guys, welcome back. My name is Prudence. In my previous video, I showed you how to register for the DaManager partner program. And when you register, this is what you are going to see. So when I registered, this is my dashboard. So when you register, this is what you are going to see. So in today's video, I'm going to show you where to enter your payment details. But before I do so, I would like to show you an overview of what this dashboard is all about, like walk you through this dashboard. So kindly watch till the end. Here under your total referral, you will see the rewards and commission you have received thus far since you started this partnership with DaManager. Paid referrals, the numbers of referrals commission you've withdrawn. So unpaid referrals, this is where you see people that you've referred but you've not been paid for. So there will not be any issue of, I referred someone to buy your product and I was not paid for it. If you haven't been paid, it will be seen here. The manager is seeing it, you are seeing it, so it will be displayed here. So there won't be any issue. Then total payout transaction, that's total money you've withdrew throughout. Then under your profile, you have access to edit your details. If you want to change anything, perhaps something came up, change of name, you can do that. Change of password, you can do that. Then the marketing section, this is where you have your partner link. Like I said in the overview video, if you haven't watched it, I strongly recommend you do so. This is where each partner have their own unique partner link. So this is my partner link. So when you register, you will have your own unique partner link that is attached to your name. So whoever you are recommending is recommending with this partner link, is buying our product with this partner link. Then here we have campaigns. Like I said, DaManager has decided to make this partnership very easy for you by making several creatives for you, different sizes of flyer, different sizes of banner. So in case you are trying to upload in certain platform that requires certain size, so you can just check for the size, download over here. So there are different sizes that is being made available for you. So you can just click here. So to download any of these creatives right here, just click on this link here, click on it, right click. If you are using a phone, just press it, then save as, save. So that's how you download it. So you can download anyone you see here by clicking on this link right here. You can scroll down here, click on this link to download, click on this link to download. So you can download, like me, I've downloaded everything here. I've downloaded everything. So coupons, if your referees purchase with our coupon code, it will display here. Then under your referrals, I've not referred anybody yet, so there's no commission, so nothing is here because I just started. Then payment, your payment history is right here. So I said in the first video that there's 100% transparency, so there won't be any issue of payment and all that. You're seeing everything, the manager is seeing everything. Then your reports. Now, what payment method does the manager use? So to see that, just click on your profile here, payout details, right here, click on it. So for now, the manager only accepts direct deposit. So there won't be any issue of paystack delay, Flutterwave delay. So we only accept direct deposit. So here you just enter your account details. If it's First Bank, put it there, your account number, your account name, just put it right there, then click on save. Ensure you click on this save button right here. So guys, that's basically all about your dashboard, and I hope this video was very helpful. And please kindly like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and do not forget to drop any questions on the comment section below. Thank you.